In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Copilot in Microsoft Edge. By the end, you'll have Copilot ready to assist with browsing, drafting, and quick answers right inside your browser, all without leaving the page you're on. Start by opening Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is up, head to the top right corner of the window and click the three-dot menu. This opens a panel with all your browser options. From here, choose Settings to open the main settings page. On the left side of the settings window, look for the section labeled AI Innovations or Copilot. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on your Edge version, but you're looking for the area that controls Copilot and other AI features. Click into that section to see the available options. Inside this area, find the switch that says Enable Copilot Mode. Toggle it on. Turning this on adds the Copilot experience to your browser interface so you can access AI help whenever you need it. If your organization manages your browser, you may see certain options grayed out, and that simply means your admin controls those settings. After you flip the switch, Edge may prompt you to restart. If you see that message, go ahead and restart the browser so your changes take effect. If you have pages open that you want to revisit, you can bookmark them first or rely on your recent tabs to restore them after the restart. When Edge relaunches, look for the Copilot icon in the toolbar or along the sidebar on the right. It typically appears as a distinctive Copilot logo. If you don't see it immediately, try expanding the sidebar or checking the toolbar overflow menu, since icons can be tucked away depending on your layout. Click the Copilot icon to open the panel and start using AI features in Edge. You can ask questions about the page you're viewing, get quick summaries, or draft messages and ideas right from the panel. If you're working on a web page with long text, Copilot can help distill key points. When composing, be as specific as you can, so Copilot can tailor suggestions to your tone and goal. If the Copilot option didn't appear in settings, availability can vary by Edge version, region, or organizational policy. In those cases, revisit the setting later or check with your IT team. That's it. You've enabled Copilot in Microsoft Edge and opened the door to faster research and more efficient writing directly in your browser. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring what Copilot can do for you.